Imagine that you have several printers at home or in the office, and they all appear with strange names such as HP LaserJet M428 FDW or Epson L3110 series. Confusing, isn't it? Today I will show you how to change these complex names to simple names that you understand, such as office printer, photo printer, fast printer, or any name that helps you easily identify your printers. Welcome to a new lesson. I am Mostafa from Valley for Tech's channel. Today we will learn about 3 different ways to change the printer name in Windows 11. Whether you are a regular user who prefers the easy way, or a professional looking for an advanced way, you will find what suits you in this explanation. Let's start with the easiest way, which is using the Settings app in Windows. To open Settings, press Windows key plus I on your keyboard, or open the Start menu and select Settings. From the menu on the left, select the Bluetooth and Devices option. Then select the Printers and Scanners option from the menu on the right. Now, select the printer you want to change the name of. In our example, we will choose the HP LaserJet Pro 400 printer. Then, click on the Printer Properties option. Here, you will notice that the printer name cannot be modified directly. So, click on the Change Properties button at the bottom. Now, you can change the printer name to whatever name you want. For example, I will change its name to Office Printer. Finally, click on the OK button to save the changes. This way, you have successfully changed the printer name. Features of this method: easy and simple, suitable for beginners, uses Windows graphical interface, does not require any technical experience. Now, let's learn the second method, which is using the Print Management tool. Press the Windows key plus the letter R on your keyboard to open the Run window. Type the command printmanagement.msc, then press the Enter key on your keyboard. The Print Management tool will appear. This professional tool allows you to control all the printer properties in the Windows operating system. From the menu on the right, open Custom Filters. Then choose the All Printers option to see a list of all the printers available on your device. Right-click on the printer you want to change its name. Choose the Rename option from the drop-down menu. Finally, type the new name directly, then press the Enter key to save the change. You can now go to Settings window, then Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners, and you will find that the printer name has been successfully changed to the new name. Features of this method: suitable for professional users, allows you to easily manage multiple printers, provides additional options for controlling printers, ideal for network administrators. Well, finally we reached the third method, which is using Terminal in Windows 11. Press the Windows key plus X on your keyboard, or right-click on the Windows button in the taskbar. Then choose the Terminal Admin option from the menu. A confirmation box will appear, click Yes. The terminal command prompt will open with a PowerShell window. This tool is very powerful and allows you to have full control over the Windows operating system. First, type this command to see a list of all the printers available on your device. Get printer, format table, name. A list of printer names will appear. You need to know the current name of the printer you want to change its name accurately. Now type the command to change the printer name. Rename printer, name, current printer name. New name, new printer name. For example, rename printer, name, Microsoft Print to PDF. New name, PDF printer. The name will be changed immediately without any additional confirmation messages. You can now go to Settings window, then Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners, and you will find that the printer name has been successfully changed to the new name. Features of this method. Fastest to implement. Ideal for application on multiple devices. Can be used in programming scripts. Suitable for professional users and programmers. With this, we have learned about 3 different ways to change the printer name in Windows 11. My personal advice, if you are a regular user, use the first method. However, if you are a network administrator or deal with multiple printers, the second and third methods will provide you with better control. If this explanation helped you, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new explanations. If you have any questions, write them in the comments and I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and we will meet in a new lesson.